Hey everyone, Lucia Broadby here, and today I am going to talk to you about SeneGence's Lips Kit. So basically, it is this amazing package that you will have access to purchasing upon joining us with the SeneGence membership. So this pack is $300 value, and upon joining you get it for $95. So that's up to a massive 68% off on this kit. So if you were interested in being a kidnapper or joining us for the amazing business opportunity, I am going to walk you through everything you get through within this kit. And basically, with the contents inside of this kit, you have the opportunity to apply LipSense 650 times. So that's a whole lot of applications and a great way to kick off your business to success. So upon ordering the Lips Kit, it will be delivered to your door in this pretty little box. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love it. So I'm just going to open it up here and show you what's inside. So the first thing you will see is this cute postcard from Joni, basically with a bit of background on the business and wishing you all the success in the world. The Lips Kit also contains this beautiful, what we call Sena Blue portfolio, where you can contain all your documents within. It's also got little mesh pockets inside it as well, so if you wanted to carry your testers or your products within there, you are absolutely welcome to do so. So a whole bunch of little compartments is a great place to store all the contents within the kit. Also enclosed is a glamour demo guide, so should you wish to do demonstrations, you have all the tools to success within this booklet, along with customer purchase receipts, so you can collect orders no matter where you are on these forms. And now for the exciting part. So at the bottom compartment of the Lips Kit, you will see this package here in a little cellophane bag, and on the inside it contains your LipSense colors, applicators, and it also contains some little glossy gloss samples for on-the-go applications. The disposable LipSense wands are great for keeping things sanitary if you are letting customers test your products, and also the glossy applicators are amazing for those who wish to try it on and get the best wear out of the product throughout the day, because as we know, the glossy gloss is what hydrates and protects your LipSense color. The last thing here are what we call our beauty books. So they are catalogs that you can share around with your friends and family for the opportunity to make up to a massive 50% profit when placing your SeneGence product orders. So whether you were thinking of joining us for just a fun hobby on the side to make some extra dollars, or purely just to access your favorite products for less, now is the time to join us with our exciting Lips Kit available at a discount. If you would like further information on joining us, please feel free to contact us via a private message. Looking forward to speaking with you soon. Bye!